Hey there, what is the bio viewer? Welcome to my YouTube channel NFT Gems. If you're new to my channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest running video. So guys, let's start our today's video with a drill. Today I'll show you very good platform, which platform you can earn lots of money, and you know that platform name is Sowewe, and I will show you how to create account in this platform. So first of all, you need to register account in this platform. So simply you input your email address, put your login password, and enter your password. After you complete all details, simply click the sign up button and your account ready for login. My account already ready, so I put my details and click the sign in option. After I log in this website, and I will tell you about this platform. You can see the site is loading and simply read the site details. You can see the withdrawal time is 24 hours a day and minimum deposit at 12 USDT and zero handling fee daily estimate. And you can see the license about this platform. After you read this platform, simply click the close icon, and I will show you how to reach us in this platform. So simply click the reach us option. You can see that I have a TRC20 USDT. Simply click TRC20 USDT. You can copy the address, go to the your all select your C20 address and copy paste the address and put the amount, how much amount you are interested for deposit here. After you complete the amount and click the deposit option, mean the withdrawal option. When you withdraw successfully done, come here and click the register completed button and simply click the back icon, again the back icon, and simply click the main section. You can see the asset, how much asset you have deposit in here. Simply click the home section, and I will show you how to complete your tax. And with this, you can see that I have a tax option. Simply click the tax option, and you can see that I have unavailable tax available. So simply click the to complete option, and you can see tax is loading when the tax is finished. And I will tell you about this withdrawal process. You can see the tax is complete, so simply click the complete option. You can see tax fully complete and click the home icon, and I will show you how to withdraw your money in your wallet. Simply click the withdraw option, go to the your OLX, select add fund, and you deposit crypto, choose USDT network, TRC20, and copy your TRC20 address, come here your website, and simply you can paste your address and put your password and put your amount, how much amount you are interested for withdrawal. After you complete the all details, simply click the confirm button, and you can see the withdrawal processing done, and my withdrawal successfully accepted. And you can see the BIP section, click the BIP section, you can see the BIP and simply read the BIP, and there are highest BIP are BIP 10. You can see the BIP 1. If you deposit 12 USDT, you can earn regular 2 USDT. You can see the BIP 2 regular earn 13 USDT, and BIP 3 regular earn 52 USDT, and baby for regular and 818 USDT. You can see that high investment, high profit daily. You can see that, and after you read the baby section, simply the team section, and there are still level for team commission. You can see that, or you can simply read the team commission section, and don't miss this because the level 1 are 10%, level 2 3%, and level 3 1%. The commission is too much good. So you can simply copy your referral link and go to the social media, every media you can share your referral link, and you can earn lots of money because the referral income is high income. So you don't miss this referral your link. So share your link. After come back your website and click the home icon, you can see the english english language option. You can see the many languages available: English, France, Italian, German, Portugal, Latin, and Bangla, Italian, Indonesian, many languages available in here. You can choose your personal language, and you can see that I received 2 USDT in my wallet. You can see that I show my withdrawal live proof, or you can simply read the site all details. And so I did not force anyone guys deposit here because this is your own choice and your own risk. If you interested deposit here, so you can deposit easily in this platform, and the platform commission and system are too much good. You can see and check that. And today's video in, so I hope you were waiting for my new video. So see you next another running video guys. Take care, bye bye.